Hey.
Today we are going to be doing some unboxings of some blind box BJDs. And what's really exciting is we were actually just like at the mall while Pablo was visiting so he could see like a can of the mall. There was a new store and like we don't get a lot of new stores in Northern Ontario, so it was very exciting and very dangerous.
It was very dangerous.
So we have now like, I don't know, it's not like a pop mart, but it's like figurines, toys. It's called Mr. Surprise. Walking through the whole store, I wanted to buy everything. Like, I've never actually gotten to see like the plushy ones and stuff in person. I've seen like some figurines in Toronto, but like different stores, like Mind's Eye in Toronto has these kinds of things. I was actually going to bring you there. But it's like an 8 or like half the size of the one we just went in.
Yeah. How was the name of the shop?
Mr. Surprise.
Mr. Surprise.
It's on the side.
You can sponsor us.
You definitely can sponsor us. But yeah, usually in my town, if we get anything like that, any like Labubus or anything, they're sold by like Showcase, which is like random stuff from the internet shop.
Yeah.
And they're like 30 to 40% more expensive.
Yeah, we saw one of the seated Labubus for like 70 Canadian dollars. I was impressed by the price.
Yeah, it was like bad impressed. Yeah, like shook. But everything in Mr. Surprise was very like they bought it at wholesale for sure, instead of just adding on to the price. And Pablo actually gifted me a thing because he needs to stop. Like everyone in the comments, right? Pablo needs to stop. Pablo must be stopped. Because Pablo came here and I told him to get himself some things because obviously he needs to get himself some things. And instead he keeps buying me things and I'm like, you need to leave. You need to
leave.
So Pablo actually picked me up this one, which he also got for himself.
Yeah. And they were so kind that when they were scanning both, they knew that one of them was probably going to be the same one as the other one, and they changed it for us. So
that's a cool system. I love that.
Yeah.
So this one is Simon Toys SC doll, or Simon's Club doll, Nyazi. I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but we each have one of those.
Yeah.
Here's the options you can get. I really like the one, I don't want to say because if you get that one and it's not your favorite, you're going to do the thing where you trade me.
We'll see about that.
So I like all of them the same.
I really like the brunette, the one with lilac hair, and the one in the bottom that's also a brunette that has like foxy ears.
Oh, like the redhead.
Yeah. And the mystery one seems to be something galaxy, maybe?
Maybe, I don't know.
We'll see.
I really like the green-haired one, the yellow-haired one, and the purple-haired one. But also the blonde one with the pigtails. They're all cute, actually.
Yeah, they're all cute.
I think actually just my least favorite one is the brown-haired one, but they're all very cute.
Yeah. We'll see.
And then the second one, because I got myself 2 of them, but is it also Simon Toys? No, Pete Soon. Pete Soon, I don't...
Simon Toys. Or, no, that's the brand name, sorry.
Oh, Simon Toys is the brand name, and Pete Soon is like the style of doll. So, she looks like that, or he looks like that. And then there's 8 options and a mystery one.
This one have like a fuzzy hat.
I think so,
So you can put it on and off, and maybe we can use it for dolls too.
Wouldn't it be cute if you got like the fox girl and the fox boy?
Yeah, I that's the reason why I got you one, because you were like, no, I prefer the boy, and I was like,
the boy is cute,
I will get the girl, and would you have the pair?
Or like the
because we love straight people here, you know. Don't look at the card, okay?
No, I never look at the card. I just like reach at him like da-da-da. I see the hair color and immediately look on the side. Oh.
I think I got the chicken.
I think I got the bear, and I'm super.
You got the bear?
I think.
No way! I got the one I wanted.
I got the bear. That's super awesome.
That's cool. You wanted that?
Yeah. I like the bear a lot.
Okay.
I like the bear a lot. I like the fox a lot.
Smells like new.
I like the pig. The pig with the glasses is also so cute.
Who knows? Maybe you got the pig in the next one.
Maybe.
Wow, you have come with a lot of hams.
Watch me just breaking down. Yeah, they always seem to come with like a bunch of hams. But
so cute.
Is this stickers?
Probably.
Is this like... Oh, look! It's got like a little, like almost like a paper doll of your doll, and you can like dress it up, like dress up the COA basically.
That's super cute.
That's actually so cute. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, to be honest.
I might steal that idea one day.
This...
Wouldn't that be cute? Like a sticker sheet where it's like a doll and then you can buy stickers to dress it up?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So
I've never had any of these kinds of dolls.
Oh, ours they almost look the same.
No, they're really similar. Be careful. Don't get them mixed.
Mine looks crankier than yours. This outfit is so cute. Yeah, no, mine's like a lot like, and the hair's different, but it's like a similar color.
Uh-huh. You can remove the hair?
You have, yeah, you have to pull the hair off the front to get the plastic off the face. Oh, okay, I was gonna say, you're on your own for that second go. I'm gonna put this in. The shoes are so cute.
I know.
Some of the older ones, like, I feel like as they're making these dolls, they're getting cuter. Or, like, more detailed. Some of them are still not, like, fantastic. But, like, the shoes have, like, instead of just being, like, the plain black ones that used to come with them. Or came with all of them before. Like, oh my god, do I have to be in my influencer area?
Oh, these bodies work with an elastic?
Yeah, they're ball jointed dolls.
Oh, okay.
They're just, like plastic, like ABS.
I thought these were like
like the hinge dolls.
Yeah, like typical vinyl doll.
Yeah, no, they're actual BJDs.
This is super cool.
I dropped his face.
I see so many possibilities for these kinds of bodies.
I know.
For different dolls, you know.
I know. I've been tempted to just like buy the bodies and make heads for them.
Well, I mean.
Yeah, because like I don't particularly like. I like the anime style, but it's not something I really make. But yeah, when we got to the front of the store, I was like, imagine they had the BJDs. Because no one ever has, like, Mime's Eye in Toronto never has the BJDs. No one has the BJDs. Like, I have to order mine from Kika Goods all the time. Mm-hmm. So I was like, I was so excited. Does mine have a name? It does, but I can't read it, so I'll never know.
Wow.
I'm going to open my second one.
Yes, please, because, like...
I just realized.
I'm taking too long.
Alright. Don't be the same one. Well, they probably would have told me. Oh. I think I got the same one as you.
You think?
Oh, maybe not. Who's this? He's like sleepy? The elephant!
Yeah.
Oh, he's so cute.
Did you like that one?
Yeah, he's very cute. He's like, It's just funny that it's like we got all the cool toned ones.
Yeah.
This one's like mischief, and this this one also has his ears pierced.
Huh? You got the rebel ones.
He bowed.
The disrespect.
They look like triplets.
Yeah.
Because they all have the same hair color.
Mm-hmm.
They have different eye colors though, I think. This one's like bluey gray. This one's like the same actually. They're brothers.
Mine's green.
These guys are brothers for sure.
Wow. So sleepy. I love the eye color. Wow.
You can sit with us.
I'm your cousin.
You're yellow.
I'm your cousin.
Oh my god. The cousin mom makes us play with at Christmas.
I'm the other child from the other family.
Oh, or the new stepmom or something.
I was going to say.
The remarriage. It's time for the girls.
Ladies.
Ladies. Here, I'm scooching them all this way. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
You need
to leave. I got the blonde hair one. Which one's yours?
The green.
Okay. You like that one,
yes,
right?
I did.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. She reminds me of kiwis. Like the fruit.
Ooh. I guess that's the head. The hat?
Yeah, she's like a fox maybe, but she's green. I'm not sure what she is.
Mine reminds me of, there's a Madoka Magica character.
Oh, yeah. The pigtails are super cute.
She's so cute.
Look, this one's got paws, too, but they're, like, skin colored.
Yeah, mine too. That's weird.
The flesh paws.
Why would you do that?
They probably just have a default, like, hand pack they just send out with all of them.
Uh-huh.
And it just depends on the color. Oh, sorry, I'm, like, moving
Maybe I put her the paw hands that the guy
had, would, yeah, be cuter. This hair was so much easier to take off than the boys. I think because she had pigtails, it gave me something to kind of hold on to.
Yeah, to grab.
Actually, the faces on these are actually low-key Super
Very
cute.
Yeah.
I was like, I thought I didn't like them as much, but I think like because they're like glossy, like they're actually like kind of cuter.
You're so welcome.
I appreciate. Oh, her elbows are different. Like the joints are different, and
Yeah,
she's chubbier.
See. Yeah.
Yeah, she's chubby. Well, chubby.
Wow, she's so fat.
Yeah, like barely, but she has like little tummy lines and stuff.
She needs to get on authentic.
And she's a 2-part torso, and the boys were 3-part torsos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I didn't even look. See, that's the difference between Rosie and I. She looks into all of that, and I'm like, okay, he's cute. Next.
So cute. Oh, baby. Her name's Kiwi. I don't care what her card says.
My baby.
Watch out, Phil's gonna come running. You're singing his song.
See?
Babies? But, yeah, so that's all the dolls we got. So many, like, cute little friends. I'm gonna have to actually, like, actively avoid the store and the mall because they're gonna take all my money. But, yeah, thanks for watching. If you're already subscribed, thanks so much for subscribing. If you're new here, I hope you like the content and consider subscribing. Also, go check over on Pablo's channel, Hopeful Creation, because I'm making him start posting again.
Yes.
If he hasn't posted, I want everyone to go to his last video and bully him about it. No, I'm just kidding. Nicely.
She's doing good to me, you know?
Yeah.
Which I appreciate, by the way.
Also, if you are looking for us on socials, we're both on TikTok and on Blue Sky. He's on Instagram too. I'm probably still on Instagram, but I can't promise it. Anyways, as always.
We don't even know what's going to happen tomorrow.
I know.
You know?
So today we don't know what's happening, so we'll see. Anyways, as always, we hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.